Alright guys, so today let's do a quick analysis on pair we're going to be trading this week, right? So this is a new week, right? And this is Euro USD. This is my watch list. I don't really trade USDJPY, so let me just pull it out. I don't really trade BTC, pull it out. I trade Euro USD, gold and USD. Gold is once in a while, but let's do a quick analysis on Euro USD. So now, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'll go to the monthly time frame to see what's happening. Good, right? So this is giving me the monthly candle started bearish, got to this open and close level right here and pulled back, right? So now it's a new week. I can clearly see that monthly is bearish. So if I want to take anything from here, it will probably maybe when it gets to this zone, that's when I'm going to take a trade. Now it's a new week. I'm going to my weekly time frame and see how the week began. The week started bullish. Why? What really happened? This level here. So the week started bullish and okay, that's giving me a bullish candle. That's okay. This week we should be expecting more of buys on Euro USD. Now I'll go to my daily. My daily is also giving me bullish storyline. Daily is giving me bullish storyline. Let me zoom in very well. Let me zoom in very well. So daily is giving me a bullish storyline. Remember, there's a this thing here. I will call it a resistance zone. So now support broke resistance or example support. So this is this level here. Now this resistance level has been taken out. This support here comes here and then continue crashing down. But let us see what's going to happen. So I'm going to mark that out. I think that place has been tagged in. You can see it tagged, came down here. So let's just continue and see what's going to happen. So now daily is still giving me us a bullish storyline. Let's see if 4 hours has broken structure. 4 hours, good. 4 hours has broken structure. 4 hours has broken structure, right? Now you can clearly see that 4 hours is also bullish. So what are we expecting? What are we going to do? We're going to be expecting buys. So I'm going to buy weekly. A weekly candle opened from here. So let me drag this up here. I'm going to start there, open from there, right? So forget about all this stuff you're seeing here. Using more of my line charts. This is where the weekly started from. Now go down to my daily. Still falls under the same spot on the daily time frame. Now 4 hours, 4 hours has broken structure, broken the structure. So we're going to mark this out as well. But let's see if it has mitigated. It has. Then this is, so I'm also going to mark this zone out here. You can see the steps I took. I first of all went to monthly. Monthly gave us a bearish storyline. Now this is a fresh week, this is a new week. You can see it's bullish. This particular hash candle going up. My daily is also bullish as well. Then using my line chart to confirm 4 hours, 4 hours bullish, that's broken structure. You can see it here, this level here, it has taken it out. So this is where I'm going to mark out. So I'm going to be entering from because that was where my daily literally started from. But if I'm to enter directly from daily, my stocks will be too wide. So 4 hours, you can see clearly see. So I don't think here is still fresh, very very fresh. Here has not been mitigated. So this is where I'm going to be taking my entries from. Let me go to 1 hour again and see. Here is the gap. There's a gap here. I think that's been filled already. So now what am I expecting? Now all these here are liquidity. All these here are liquidity, and I want to take my buy from this level here to the upside. So let's see, let's see, let's see. Now let's go to our daily and see and spot out something, a weekly, spot out something. So this was the previous week candle. I've gotten my the place I want to enter from. You can see last week the candle rejected from this level down to this level here, right? So last week it was all about sales. This week we should be expecting buys, but anything can happen in the market, but we are only trading what we see, right? So what I'm going to be expecting, this level is still here. Let me see. This level is still there. level is still there. It has not been mitigated yet. Here's an open and close level. So that's none of our business right now. Our own focus is this week. The weekly open bullish, the daily bullish, 4 hours broken structure. Now we use more of our line charts to get more confirmation. 4 hours broken structure. So that's a very great confluence, and it is giving us the idea that we should buy. So this is the key level I'm going to be entering from. 1 hour, let's say 1 hour is here, and from 1 hour we can also see that it's broke structure around here too as well. But should you be expecting price to go to that place? There's high chances it will. But what can we do? Let's see with the 4 hours. Let's see 2 hours. Let's see 1 hour. Has they been mitigated? No. Let's see 30 minutes. Okay, okay, okay. So now we have two entry zones. It's either price comes here and triggers to the upside, or price comes here and move to the upside. So what are we going to do at this particular point? What are we going to do? So now two things is involved. Two things are involved right now. It's either we take the risk from here. Let's see something. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour, or let's go to the 4 hours and see something. Uh, this zone still looks good, and here still looks good. 4 hours, 1 hour. So it's either I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be patient, right? Or I will go half here and also go half here, which means that on the 4 hours, this is where it's open from. 1 hour, it came here, broke structure, and there was no, it has not been mitigated. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Now let's see. So what I'm going to do is I will literally just, it's either I'll be patient enough to either take this trade from here, right? Let's see, because it's very very clear for me. Because now price on news might literally come down, tap in and move aggressively, but it reacts from this zone too and then move to the upside. But how sure are we that this is what's going to happen? So what I'm going to do is I'll just start, I'll work with the 1 hour. I'll do with 10 pips, 100, then 1 to 5 RR 500. Good. So this is it here. This is what I'm going to do. Our patience enough and see how price is going to react from this particular level. So let's say you're risking $10 on this trade, right? At the end of the day, you should be expecting around $50 on this particular trade. That's if it goes to our direction, right? Now, I'm still expecting price to react from here. That's what I'm expecting. That's what the market actually showed us. And price too should also react from here. There's high chances it's also going to react from there as well. But here is still very much valid. So let's be patient enough. Let's see what price is going to do. Now let's come to, I'm not going to rush. I'm going to wait for price to come to that level. But there's still opportunities down here. I tried entering on the sell earlier, but I literally got stopped out. I tried entering from here. After I got a confirmation from here, I tried entering from this level here. But when I came back, I got stopped out because of the buys is still like, buyers are still in charge of the market. So we just want to wait and see what price is going to do. Or we rather take it from this level or to this level. But let us wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Here is one level and here is another level to take the trade. But so what you're going to do is you can go half from the 4 hours. You can go halfway. Sometimes I do use 150 like this. 150 like this. As you can go 1 to 3, but the stops will be too big. The stop will be too much. So this is not really a cool trade. It's just like 1 to 2 hour. It's not really a cool trade, but let's just wait and see. I will still accept this particular one, and let's see how it goes. So just be patient and let's see how it goes. Now let me, I'll send this particular setup in the group. Now let's check out USDCHF. Let's check out USDCHF. So USDCHF, we call the buys here. Yeah, we didn't get tagged in. Last week I sent this in the Signal group. At first price came here, right? And started dropping. When I came back, saw that it tagged me out, and I was like, wow, that's just it. But that's how the market is. We're not perfect. So now let's see USDCHF what we can do. We start with the monthly. Let's see what's happened. The monthly. So the monthly started with a bullish. So I started tracing back. So now let's see the weekly. It's a fresh week. You can see that the weekly candle started what, bearish. You can clearly see that the weekly started bearish. Let me clear all these. Don't need all these right now. So this is a fresh candle. This is a weekly candle. Previous week candle was buys, which mitigated from this FVG right here. Tagged in, pulled. Here's an open and close level. So the weekly candle started what, bearish. And the daily started what, bearish as well. Has any structure been broken? What should we expecting this week? Weekly bearish. That is our storyline. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to mark this level out, right? We'll mark it out, sorry. Make sure you're paying attention to this, because this is the best. This is the way I analyze. Right, then I'll come here. It was then let's go to daily. Let's see how the daily started. Let's see how daily started. So I'll literally put it up here because it's the clearer sign it gives to me, the V shape kind of stuff. Right. So I'll put it here. And this is really like my liquidity daily. They go to 4 hours to see if structure has been broken. Good. Structure has been broken. There's broken structure here as well. So price might actually come here tagging and then move. So we're expecting more of sells on USDCHF this week for 4 hours. Still on the same level. Still on the same level. Right. So let's go back to that daily and see something. It's a key level. Weekly. Okay, I'll use here for my weekly. Usually should open from here. Start this level, we can see it here. Then my weekly, then my daily to this top side, right? So we are going to be entering from either this level or this particular level, right? So let's go to 4 hours and see what's happening there. Has it been tapped? No, it has not been tapped in. Has it been tagged? Let's see. This was around came in tagged in here. So price must come to this place. Let's go to 1 hour and see. All right, so this we are going to be entering from either of these particular levels here. Now here is going to be our spot liquidity. So you need to be patient. I don't know, we don't really know when price is going to come back to this level, but I'm focusing on what I'm going to be achieving this week. So whatever comes out, we're going to definitely make money. So now I'll go back to I'm going to pick my entry from here. Let's see. It's that easy, right? The most important thing is for you to be patient. So if you're not a patient person, you can't trade my strategy. Stops gonna be 10, right? So it's gonna be 10 pips. Stops. Then let's go to 4 hours. Let's see. Daily. All right. Let's see how this goes. Now would price come back to this level? I know price going to come back to the level, but we'll literally what the market presents to us. We actually want to support the buy in case we want to take a buy. Yeah, it's good, but I can't just jump in because it's quite risky. It's quite risky. So it might literally come to this level here and buy to the upside. But let's just see what's going to happen. Here's also a rather strong level, open and close level here. Another level here again. Very nice. But this is what I'm expecting. So what's going to be my RR? What should I target? We try 1 to 5 R, so you're going to be 500, right? 1 to 5. Cool. So this is what I'm literally expecting. This is setup, so this is how it's going to be. Now, if you're not in a community, you should join in or click the link on my bio to join a trading community, right? We do share our setups, signals, and everything. So this is basically how I do my analysis and also work with time. This is 2:13 p.m. African time. So this price might literally sell off throughout today. You can never can tell when price is going to come up here again. But for sure know that okay, price is going to come up here. So just set your limit. If you're a scalper, I don't think you can trade my strategy. But if you know how to hold trade properly and you want that peace of mind, then you can actually focus on other stuff. All this liquidity, all these CRT are going to be cleared, right? So I will send the signals in the community so you can take the trade on the signal group.